question we based our investigation in was, what if there was a way in which we could know if our soil is healthy or not? Not only thinking about gardens, but thinking about crops and farms too. Soil right now is affected by erosion and pollution, which is causing it to be uninhabitable and unworkable, which can cause that it won't be able to absorb natural waste anymore, which is of course negative. This is why scientists are focusing a lot of getting as much information as possible about soil and its healthy being. Soil is defined as a loose surface of earth which is identified from the original rocks and minerals. It is something obtained through the process of weathering. In science, it can be defined as a natural body or as a medium for crop growth. This is why soil has many different fields to learn about all the things we can learn from it. This includes soil geology, soil chemistry, soil physics, and soil biology, among others.
I am going to be talking about the backgrounds of our project. First of all, what is soil? Soil is one of the main natural resources that we have in our daily lives, next to air and water. Without this product, without soil, there would be no life because animals and plants depend on soil. They use soil every single day. Soil has three main components. It has minerals, organic remains from animals and water, and living organisms which reside inside of the soil. Last but not least, soil quality or its health is the capacity that it has to function within the boundaries of an ecosystem. Soil pollution or soil contamination is the destruction of lands that could be well used for the growth of plants or crops. The main cause of soil pollution or soil contamination are human activities, such as industrial waste, and industries are by far the worst polluters of soil with all the chemicals they release. We also have deforestation, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides, garbage pollution, which cannot be recycled or disposed of carelessly. The effects we have of soil contamination are climate change, loss of soil fertility, and impact on human health.
Well, as you can see in the survey, the interpretation of this is that people don't really know what's happening. Not because it's not important. Well, there are people who don't really care about it that say, it's not important, I don't care. But in reality, it is because it's the soil, the thing we touch, of course. And people lack of information of it. They don't know how to take care of it or how to help it. So, but the important thing is that there are people who know what's happening and the action of it. But sadly, there's a number of people who do not know how to take care of the soil, like you can see right here and here. Thank you.
What our praise should be supported? Well, this type of praise should be supported just because our world needs us. It really needs us. And we're not in a stage where picking up the trash is enough. So all alternatives should be reliable. Soil gives us the facility to be in any part of the world, and by its correct manipulation we can get amazing results. It is also the base for nature and environment, so by keeping it or saving it, even clean it, we could save our world. We already got until these results without any help, so imagine if a company or even an organization couldn't help us to keep it. My main point is, whoever thought about soil as main character and ally for environmental change?